Did you know that Ireland is one of the few countries in Europe that doesn't have a metro system? Well, that is changing. Ireland's first metro project explained. Metrolink is a massive project that will create Ireland's first metro system in Dublin, with a cost of 12 billion euros. The important question is why Ireland didn't have a metro system before and didn't see the need to build one. Also, besides Ireland, there are many countries that don't have their own national metro system. At the end of the video, I will show you 3 of the most popular countries which all know. Stay with me until the end of the video, and if you are not a member of High World channel, subscribe to inform about our next videos. Let's see how Metrolink will transform Ireland by 2030. Ireland's first metro project is called Metrolink and is planned high-capacity railway system that will run mostly underground in Dublin. The capital city of Ireland, it will have 16 stations along its 18.8 km road, connecting Sword in the north and Charlemont in the south. The project is expected to carry up 15 million passengers a year and integrate with existing public transport services in the city. Metrolink is a part of Irish government climate action plan which aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality by investing in low-carbon public transport. The project will create about 8,000 construction jobs and will be delivered by a team of international consultants led by Turner and Townsend. Construction phase is scheduled to start in 2024 and finish in 2030. How much do you think this Metro Ireland's project can help them? Write it in the comments below. Metrolink will be Ireland's first metro system, but not its first light rail system. Dublin already has a tram line called Luas, which opened in 2004 and has 2 lines with 67 stations. Luas will be extended to Finglas in the north as a part of the Climate Action Plan. Dublin also has a suburban rail network called the DART, which stands for Dublin Area Rapid Transit. Metrolink will have both positive and negative impacts on traffic in Dublin. On the positive side, Metrolink will reduce congestion and emissions by providing as a fast and reliable alternative to car travel, and enhance the quality of life and health of people living and working in Dublin. But on the negative side, Metrolink will increase traffic disruption and noise during the construction phase, which is scheduled to start in 2024 and finish in 2030. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please like the video so that we can continue with the video. There are many reasons why Ireland has not built a metro system until now, but some of the main ones are: number 1. Cost. Building a metro system is very expensive and requires a lot of funding and resources. The current Metrolink project is estimated to cost about 12 billion euros, which is a significant investment for small countries like Ireland. 2. Alternatives. Ireland already has other forms of public transport that serve Dublin and other cities, such as the bus, trams and trains. Where the Irish government gave the Metrolink project the green light in July 2022, the country's Prime Minister Eamon Ryan said it was a once-in-a-generation project that is going to massively transform the public transport system in our capital city. Before the metro project in Ireland, the main modes of public transportation in the country were buses, trams and trains. These systems serve different cities and regions of Ireland. Buses were the most common and widespread form of public transport in Ireland, especially in rural areas where rail services were limited or non-existent. Buses were operated by both public and private companies, such as the Bus Area, Dublin Bus, Go Ahead Ireland and others. Buses offered local, regional and intercity services as well as express and airport services. Buses were also integrated with other modes of transport, such as the trams and trains, through ticketing and timetabling schemes. Trams were a relatively new and modern form of public transport in Ireland, introduced in 2004 with opening of the Luas system in Dublin. Luas had 2 lines with 67 stations that served the city centre and some suburbs. Luas was a light rail system that ran mostly on a dedicated tracks but also shared some roads with the other traffic. Luas was popular among commuters and tourists, as it offered a fast, reliable and comfortable service. Luas was also planned to be extended into the other areas of Dublin, such as Finglas in the north. Trains were an older and more traditional form of public transport in Ireland. Dating back to the 19th century, trains were operated by the state-owned company Irish Rail, which provided both commuter and interstate services. Trains connected major cities and towns across Ireland, such as Dublin, Cork, Galway, Limerick and Belfast and others. Trains also served some coastal areas of Dublin through the DART system. DART was an electrified suburban rail network that ran along the Irish Sea from Malahide in the north and the Greystones in the south. A question for you: do you know the population of the island? Write a guess in the comments below. Also, some of the most popular countries that don't have a national metro systems are Australia, Canada and Brazil and some other countries. Overall, Metrolink is an ambitious and costly project that aims to transport public transport in Dublin. It will have both benefits and challenges for traffic in the city, depending on the stage of the development and the perspective of the stakeholders. I hope you liked today's project, and if you want to know about the latest mega projects around the world, be sure to subscribe to our channel and open the bell on the side. Follow along with one of the most important projects in the world that will really surprise you.